Okay, let's get started. So we've got grammar update day 1 for this section. We're going to be talking about phrases. So label all parts of speech, the parts of the sentence, and any prepositional phrases here is what we're focusing on. So let's get started. Rhode Island is a noun. The is an article adjective. Smallest is modifying state. Smallest is an adjective. State is a noun. In the U.S. is a prepositional phrase. We start our prepositional phrase with a parenthesis. Preposition. The is an article adjective. U.S. is a noun. I've always gotten in the habit, I go ahead and get rid of my prepositional phrases as quickly as I can. So the second line, prepositional phrase always starts with a preposition and ends with a noun or a pronoun, and on the second line you identify the object of the preposition. So U.S. is the object of in. Go ahead and identify that as a prepositional phrase. We'll come back to what type of prepositional phrase in just a second. Is a linking verb, and in the Northeast is also a prepositional phrase. In is a prep, the is an article adjective, and Northeast here is a noun. Get rid of your object of the preposition and identify this as a PP or a prepositional phrase. Okay, let's keep going. My habit is I go to find the predicate. As soon as I find the predicate, I start there. So is a linking verb predicate. Who or what is? Rhode Island is, and that's it. So what is this whole thing right here doing? The smallest state? This whole thing, the smallest state in the U.S. is acting as an appositive phrase. This whole thing right here is defining, it's an interrupting definition defining Rhode Island. Okay? That is what an appositive phrase does. It's an interrupting definition, so it's giving further clarification to Rhode Island. Okay, let's see. Where is the state? It's in the U.S., or which state? The one in the U.S., the smallest state in the U.S., so that is an adjective, so which one? And where is it? It is in the Northeast, so that is an adverb, prepositional phrase. Okay, let's keep going. The is an article adjective. Apartment is a noun. Had is a linking verb. Bugs is a noun. Big is an adjective. Brown is an adjective. And cockroaches is a noun. Both big and brown are modifying cockroaches. That's why they're adjectives. Okay? Go find your predicate. Had, linking verb predicate had. Who or what had? Well, the apartment had. And what did the apartment have? The apartment had bugs. So what do we do with this whole thing right here? Well, again, it's defining what kind of bugs? Big, brown cockroaches. Again, that is in a positive phrase because it's defining what kind of bugs. Okay. This one is a little more complicated, but it's actually kind of simple when you start to look at it. So the is an article adjective. First Lady Barbara Bush, that whole thing is a noun. And which First Lady Farmer Bush? It's the former First Lady Barbara Bush, so this is an adjective. Could here is acting as a helping verb. Become is a linking verb. The is an article adjective. Oldest is an adjective modifying First Lady. Living is an adjective modifying First Lady, and First Lady is a noun. So go find your predicate. Could become is your predicate. And we're going to identify it as a linking verb predicate. Who or what could become? First Lady Barbara Bush could become, what could she become? Predicate noun, the First Lady. Okay? And on this one, we do not have any phrases. So I'm going to make some sort of indication there that there are no phrases for that. Okay.